Alright, if you're in comfortable position, turn the flaps to full. No, not to full, to fly. Turn the auto brakes on. Now, turn the auto brakes off. No, not turbo brakes. Auto brakes off. Auto brakes off and the brakes until the full stop. Now, if you are not moving, check it. Okay, now turn off all engines. Engines off. Now open the main door. Main door opened. Now wait until the passengers leave the plane. Okay? Okay, the passengers left the plane. Now, take off. Wait. First, turn on the engines. Second, check if everything is okay. Yeah, I already checked. Now prepare for takeoff. Okay. Take off! Runway too short. Runway too short. Yeah, I escaped it. Retract the landing gear. Now, set the flaps on 0. Terrain. Pull up. Okay. I didn't just pull up. I'll just Oh no! Oh yeah, I skipped it. Oh no! Oh no! By the way, now I need to land on the runway. What to do with this? Flaps in 4 and 5. Flaps 2. Full flaps. If you're comfortable. Yeah, I already deployed here. Good. Don't sink. Stall. Oh no. But when it was emergency, not an emergency landing, we just landed successfully. Runway too short. Runway too short. Bro, there is no runway. What are you yapping about? Runway too short. 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 Okay. I'm gonna go to the runway. What's the problem? What's your problem? Don't yell at the GPS signal. Oh, it's just saying to me, runway too short. Runway too short. And I yell at him. That's why I yell at him. Okay, problem is now solved. Phew, finally, it's not yapping about the runway too short. Runway too short. Now use the manual brakes. Okay. You can open the main door. Just turn off the engines. There's people that is going in again. Okay, now open the main door. Okay, now wait until all of the passengers get on the plane. Okay? Okay. Now what? As I said, wait until the passengers get on the plane. Okay. I will check if the all passengers come into the plane and sit. Okay. This is your captain speaking. Please put your seatbelts. We're preparing for takeoff. Now, dear passengers, if you have a good flight, I wish we will repair the wind because it has damaged. I think this will be the safe flight. Huh? Hold on. What? Huh? What was that? Oh, the flags. Ladies and gentlemen, this is our captain speaking. Sadly, we can't take off. But we can't deploy. We can't already deploy during the ground. But you can get on another airplane. It will get to America too, because we have the same route.